Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for being here. You do not know how much that means to me. In this video, we went ahead and got this look done. I did only record one eye just because I want to go ahead and do my videos a little bit different. I want to give you guys like looks where I get full face done with you guys and both eyes, and then looks where I just do one eye and then the rest of my face. And then I'll probably also include videos where like I only do my eyes and then the rest of my face off camera. Let me know what you guys would like to see. So yeah, just stick around if you'd like to continue watching my videos, and if you like what you see on my channel, just make sure to stay subscribed. Okay, so now let's go ahead and hop into this tutorial. Okay, my brows are filled. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna go ahead and begin with my brows already filled in. I've already concealed them as well. The products that we went ahead and used to the products that we used to go ahead and fill in our brows was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and that's this one right here. To go ahead and carve them out, I used the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. In this one, I am the color medium 26. Ignore this. It's like a little small pimple that I was poking at, and I shouldn't have, but I did, okay? I did. I think it's the Plows or the P. Louis or the P. Louis Rumor Tool concealer, and this is like the base that I'm gonna be using for my eyeshadow today. I always hear that it's really good. It like freaking sets on your eye amazingly, so I definitely want to see what it does for me. Okay, so now let's go ahead and blend this in now. We are going to be using a different palette today. I've been dying to freaking use this brand for the longest now, and finally got my hands on a couple of her things, which is her foundation, her concealer, and some other stuff that I ordered online. I'm still waiting on those. I went ahead and I got the Juvia's Place foundation. This one is in my color. This is the color Bogota 500, but my color is the, what color is it again? I don't want to, Gabisa? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and do another video with that color foundation whenever I do receive it in the mail. I had to go ahead and order those online so that I can take advantage of the sale that she was having. So I did get the foundation stick, and I got 2 of her palettes. At Ulta, the one that I did get on sale was this one right here, which is the Saharan number 2 by Juvia's Place, and these are so freaking beautiful. Their freaking pigments are so pigmented. Like her shades, what did I just say? Her shades are so freaking pigmented. You want to try these out. And everyone that I ask or that I see uses these, they always recommend them. They always tell me that they're like very highly recommended because they're like seriously pigmented. So that's the palette that we're gonna use today. Did you guys take advantage of any of the sales that were going on over the holidays? Honestly, I'm not a Black Friday shopper. I do not like it, especially none of that waking up freaking early in the morning and going to stand in line to shop. I can't do that. My anxiety will be to the fucking roofs, so I don't want that. We're gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. crease brush, and that's this one right here. I think we're gonna use Sohra and Taza, and it's those 2 down here, this burgundy one here, and then this one over here. For the shimmers, I don't know if I'm gonna use any shimmers just yet. Right now, let me just begin applying the rest of the shades. Okay, so I'm gonna first go into Taza. Okay, so how do I want to do this? I'm trying to think if I want like the darker color here at the edge and then the lighter one here, or okay, we're just gonna put it here on our crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. What is this? This is a Morphe B72 brush, and I'm gonna go into Zohra. Yeah, Sohra, and that's that soft burgundy right here. Actually, it's not even soft, it's just like burgundy color right here. And I'm gonna pretty much just apply it and overlap it onto this brown that we already have here. I like how this burgundy blended in. Oh my god. This looks so pretty. I think I'm gonna use the same, the P. Louis or P. Laus, whatever however you say this. We're gonna go ahead and grab a little more of this eyeshadow base to cut our crease. We're gonna go ahead and grab our shader brush from Alcatraz Divina, and this is the brush number 18. What color should we go in? I'm gonna go into Nomad. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Morphe M514, and I'm gonna go ahead and slightly blend around here, around the edges. And then using my Morphe M561, I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use the color Canvas to go ahead and clean the top of my brow bone. Sometimes I'm just gonna do this eye on camera with you guys, and then I'm gonna do this one real quick off camera, and then I'm gonna be back to go ahead and apply our foundation, just so I can show you guys the quality of the Juvia's Place foundation. For lashes today, we are gonna be using Alcatraz Divina, and we are gonna use Medusa. These are like one of my favorite lashes, y'all. Honestly, I think I only use like her lashes for all my looks. I'm gonna like begin switching it up with the lashes. If there are like any style or any other brand of lashes you guys can recommend to me that are legitly like really good, let me know and I'll try them out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the glue on my lashes. I'm gonna let them dry, and then in the meantime I'm gonna begin working on this eye. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm already done with my eyes. I'm gonna put color in my inner corner, but right now I just wanted to add a little bit of yellow because I don't know, I thought that adding a bit of yellow is gonna make it pop, but I don't have a shimmer yellow. I did before. I don't know if I do in one of the palettes that I have. Oh yes, I do. We are gonna add it from our taco palette, but for now this is the eyeshadow look that we have going on. For the first time in forever. No, I'm just playing. I'm not gonna be adding shimmer to my brow bone. I usually always do for every look. Okay, so Juvia's Place foundation does come with like this little, it does come with the little cover right here. So we're gonna go ahead and just remove that. Okay, I wanna show you guys. This is the shade. I know on camera it probably doesn't look that off. It's a little bit dark. It's like way darker. We'll see how it looks on my skin. We're just gonna go in with our beauty blender. Okay, and I'm gonna start here. Oh my god, dude, this shit, can you guys like see? Look at my breakouts. What breakouts, bitch? What breakouts? It's not that off, y'all, but it's a little off. It has more like of a golden undertone. I think in person, if I go outdoors with this foundation, people will probably be like, damn bitch, you got a whole case of wrong fucking time going on. We're gonna go into our concealer. For our concealer, we're gonna be using the No Filter concealer from ColourPop. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our setting powder, which is a Beauty Bakery one, and we're gonna go ahead and set our face. What I quickly went ahead and did is I contoured. Oh my god, I could never talk. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and set right here my forehead. We're gonna put a little bit of baking powder here, and then I need to cut my contour, so we'll be right back. Okay, I already went ahead and cut my contour and everything. Now I'm just gonna let it sit on my face for a couple of minutes, and we're gonna go into our blush. For blush, we're gonna be using the same one that we typically use. I have not put myself onto new blushes that I liked, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a Morphe brush. Typically, the ones that I use to go ahead and dust off my baking powder is a Morphe M529. It's this one right here. I use it to get more like under my eye area, or if not, I'll use this BH Cosmetics #2 brush. I've also recently added to my brushes this Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH07, and this is a powder brush. We're gonna grab this one right here to go ahead and start dusting off. I don't really like to leave the powder on my face too long because I don't like when I look kind of pale. So what I'm gonna be doing is, as I'm dusting it off, I'm also gonna be applying some of my MAC powder. I use the NC30. For my nose, I usually grab a smaller shading brush just because I like to make sure that there's no lines visible where like my baking powder's at or where my contour begins. And right here, I'm not really doing much of like dusting off, more like blending. And I like just drag it up here to blend it all in. Now we're gonna go ahead and go into our highlighter, and I'm gonna be using my Jeffree Star Platinum Eye Skin Frost Pro Palette, and that's this baby right here. Ignore that, I know it's a little pimple, I'm trying to ignore it. To go ahead and set our face, we are gonna be using our ColourPop setting spray. We're gonna go ahead and grab our white eyeliner so we can do it to our waterline, and then we're gonna apply a bit of mascara to our lower lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our chocolate palette. We're gonna go into Mexican cheese, which is this one right here. I'm gonna fix my hair a little bit and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for today. What do you guys think? On the lips, what I went ahead and I did is I used the remainder of my Kylie Lip Liner, and it is the Court K one, which is this one right here. Y'all, this thing literally, like, I have not used it much, and it came out of this. I've had it already for maybe like 2 years or so, but I don't really use this color. I don't know why. I honestly just forgot that I had it in my drawer. Right now that I was looking for something burgundy to add like a pop to my lips, I found it, but it's now all in pieces, literally, because it broke out and it fell, so it's right here. But yeah, this is the final look. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Any ideas you guys may have for me, let me know down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.